Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our session on Substantiating Concept Solutions. Today we'll explore feedback and response mechanisms, or FRMs, what they are, why they're essential for transparency and trust, and how they help us gather, respond to, and act on stakeholder feedback. We'll also look at the channels we can use, how to design an FRM that fits its context, and practical tips for making it effective, including handling sensitive issues. By the end, you'll see how FRMs create a two-way dialogue that leads to stronger relationships and better outcomes. Feedback and response mechanisms, FRMs. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's session on Substantiating Concept Solutions. Our focus is on feedback and response mechanisms, or FRMs for short. These are structured, two-way communication systems that organizations use to collect, gather, and respond to feedback from stakeholders, which can include customers, employees, community members, or partner organizations. Think of FRMs as both an ear and a voice for the organization. They help you listen actively to what stakeholders are saying, and then respond in ways that build trust, solve problems, and improve performance. Whether it's a simple suggestion or a serious concern, the way we collect and act on feedback says a lot about our professionalism and commitment to transparency. Purpose and benefits of FRMs. An effective FRM is more than a suggestion box. It's a key part of organizational performance and accountability. First, it ensures transparency. When stakeholders can see that their feedback is taken seriously and acted upon, it promotes trust. Second, it helps identify issues early, sometimes before they become bigger problems. For example, safety hazards, misuse of resources, or customer dissatisfaction. Third, it allows teams to adjust strategies in real time. Imagine a product launch where customers quickly point out a usability flaw. A good FRM helps the business capture that information, fix the problem, and communicate the change back to customers quickly. Stakeholder feedback channels. FRMs work by identifying both feedback channels and response channels. Feedback channels are the ways stakeholders can share their thoughts with you, like phone hotlines, suggestion boxes, community meetings, text messages, or email addresses. Response channels are how you communicate back. For example, through public notice boards, follow-up emails, posters, radio announcements, or community meetings. The key is to make these channels accessible and appropriate for the audience. A rural community might prefer in-person meetings, while a tech-savvy customer base might favor online forms and instant messaging. Contextual design of FRMs. A well-designed FRM is tailored to its environment. This means considering the local context, existing communication habits, and what's already working. An FRM flowchart is a helpful tool here. It maps out how feedback will be collected, who is responsible for gathering it, how it will be documented, how it will be used in decision-making, and how sensitive information will be handled confidentially. It also shows how the results of that feedback will be reported back to stakeholders. This visual map keeps the process clear and ensures nothing is overlooked. Tips for effective FRMs. Let's look at 3 tips for making FRMs effective. 1. Respond to all feedback received. Even a brief acknowledgement can show stakeholders that their voice matters. If you can't act on something right away, let them know it's being considered. 2. Create procedures for sensitive feedback. Some issues, like fraud, safety concerns, or harassment, require a confidential process and rapid escalation. Your FRM must include a way to separate these cases from general feedback so they can be addressed appropriately. 3. Coordinate with the overall concept implementation. Don't treat the FRM as an afterthought. Plan it alongside your main project so it's ready to go when the concept is launched. This ensures feedback can be collected and acted upon from day one. In summary, a strong feedback and response mechanism is a structured yet flexible system that improves trust, transparency, and the quality of your outcomes. It creates a genuine dialogue between the organization and its stakeholders, ensuring that ideas, concerns, and solutions flow in both directions. When we respond well to feedback, whether it's routine or sensitive, we show that our organization listens, adapts, and values the people it serves.